What's up, everybody? Tony here. So this is I'm gonna call this part 3. There's not much going on right now, but I'm gonna call this part 3. I'm gonna change out the hood range, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Really simple and easy. But we had the floors put in yesterday. It looked really good throughout. This is like their 6-inch vinyl flooring, 6x4s. Still waiting for the vanity and the countertop. So anyway, it's starting to come together slowly but surely. So let's get right to it. I'm going to show you how to take this apart. First thing we do is, let's do this. Turn the light on. Turn that light on so that way you know that you've turned it off. There's no electricity. So let's turn the electrical off on it. And usually, yep, this one is, says right there, hood. So turn that off. And we don't now. If somebody was living in here and you had to do it, make sure you put a lockout tag out. Put a tag out. I even put like tape over it and make sure nobody opens that up and turns that on you. But since it's vacant, I'm not too worried about it. I'm the only one in here, so I'm working by myself, so I'm not too worried. Anywho, let me get my camera set up real quick. Sorry. And let's see. Is that right? Yeah, it looks pretty good, huh? So wait, we're gonna take this baby out. So let me get some tools. And these are pretty simple. Oh, let me show you over on this side. Let me show you over here. So we got to take this cover off because that's where our electrical is. And there's just the screws right there. And then this plate just drop down just like that. Once you get that off, now that the electrical's off, you can go ahead and remove your wiring. Should be a hot, neutral, and a ground. Just like that. Voila, like that. Take this, unscrew this from your ground, and now your wiring's all nice and loose. Now what they did here, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to show you. What they did here is they put grabber screws in there to hold this up. So we're going to do the same thing. It's real simple, real easy. So we're just going to go ahead and take these screws out. So hang on to them. Now usually before I take them all out, I usually do this. Right here, I gotta take this nut off of this from your electrical. Hang on to that because you're gonna be using it again. Then you go ahead and take the rest of the screws out. This one looks like it has 4 of them. Don't let this fall down on top of your head. There you go. I think that's it. Let me see. I'm pretty sure. So if it doesn't come down right away, just hit it. Bam, there you go. Comes right out. Okay, once you drop the old one, you get the new one. You take out the filter. This, which is the filter, you take that out. And you take out the cover that goes in here. that hides all the electrical. You take the cover out, and then once you do that, you take your screw gun. Now these holes here are a little bit too far in. So what you have to do is you gotta drill between this crease here and the hole, and I drill just between the two, and that gives you a perfect hole for your to sit into your or to drill into your cabinet. Let me do this one. And you're gonna have to do all 4 corners. Make sure you get all 4 corners done. And then once you're done with that, then you have to take, and I've already done it, but you have to take this plug out. It looks like this. The plug looks like that. Just take a screwdriver, like so, and you just wiggle it back and forth, and it will pop right out, okay? Whoa, whoa, hang on guys. So just take a screwdriver, wiggle it, and it pops right out, and you have to do the underside one, okay? Top one. So anyway, let's put it in, and let's see how it works. The hardest part is getting this up in there and screwing this thing on. Put your wires in there. Make sure you got your conduit. Come on. Make sure it goes in. Come on. Actually, let me put a screw up there first, and then I'll manipulate that. This. There you go. Put that right on through. And take your little nut here that holds this, the wires. Make sure you put the wires through it. And screw it back on so that doesn't pull out through your top of your cabinet. And you just hand tighten it, that's fine. Because that is running up through your cabinet to that junction box right there. That's your electrical. So then when you get that all done, and then you just wire up, well, let's finish putting the rest of the screws in. Hold this baby up. Just like so. And I don't see the other one yet. Anyway, I'll find it and we'll put it in. So let's go ahead and put the electrical together. Twist. Make sure your wires twist with your cap. And make sure it's nice and tight. You go with the white to white, of course, and black to black. Now the hood range comes with 2 white wires, 2 black wires, because you got 2 speeds on your fan and you got a light. So you got to make sure that they're all connected. Once you get that, then you take your ground wire, wrap around your, and screw that in. Get all that together. Then you take your cover. Make sure your wires come through there. Oh, wait a minute. That's not the right one. This is the right one. That screw in there, just like so. And then you get your bulb. And put your filter on. So, whoop, whoop. Like so. And then your light cover. Just like that. And then you turn on your power. Let's go over, turn our power on. And we should have a working hood range. Brand new working hood range. All right, guys. So that's that. That's fairly simple to do. Pretty straightforward. I need to find the screw to screw back up in there. Right there, got to put a screw up in there. Got a screw there, I got a screw there, and one there. So it's pretty tight. They stay up. So you could always put the brackets in if you want. They do come with brackets. I don't necessarily use them. I just, like I said, I just screw them right into the cabinet, up inside the cabinets. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hit your like and subscribe button for me if you don't mind. And the next thing we will do is, hopefully the rest of my stuff will come in. My my curtain blinds, my vertical blinds, my window dressings will come in for the living room and the bedroom. So I can show you how those are put up. And then the AC come in, the P-tack. Hopefully it'll come in soon. We'll get that done. Now I did receive the new stove and the new dishwasher, but I'm gonna wait for that because of the countertops. We're still deciding on what we're gonna do with the countertops. Not sure if we're just gonna have these glazed like we did the bathtub, or we're gonna have them removed and new ones put in. We'll see. So we're not real certain yet. But anyway, thanks guys for watching. Hit the subscribe, like button if nothing else. I do appreciate you guys watching. and I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Oh, one other thing before I leave. So the bird left. It's gone. Actually, yesterday I came in, do a little bit of work, and the other bird came back. Another a baby bird came back. It was with the bird that was here, and they were together. And then this morning I came back out here to check, see if they were here, and they were gone. So anyway, the birds flew the coop. They're gone. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you guys learned anything at all, I'd sure appreciate hitting that like button. If you have any other suggestions, if you have suggestions, you see something I might have done wrong, or there might be some easier or a simpler way of doing things, please let me know. All right, I'm open to everything. Although I've been doing this for 35 years, hey, we're always learning, right? We don't know. I don't know everything. So anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.